or Nutella, and coating them in chopped nuts or sprinkles. Rings with raspberry whipped cream or Nutella, and coating them in chopped nuts or sprinkles. Make mini merveilleux. If you want to make smaller merveilleux, simply pipe the meringue into smaller circles or shapes. Mini merveilleux are perfect for parties and events, and make a great addition to a dessert table. To a dessert table. Use a stand mixer. While you can beat the egg whites and cream by hand, a stand mixer will make the process much easier and faster. A stand mixer will also ensure that the egg whites and cream are tend to the right consistency. Tend to the right consistency. Store merveilleux properly. Merveilleux should be stored in the refrigerator, covered with plastic wrap or in an airtight container. They will keep in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Merveilleux is a delicious and impressive dessert that is sure to impress your friends and family. With a little practice and experimentation, you can create your own variations on this classic Belge. End dessert. Whether you stick to the classic vanilla whipped cream and chocolate shavings, or try something new, merveilleux is a dessert that is sure to delight. End dessert. Whether you stick to the classic vanilla whipped cream and chocolate shavings, or try something new, merveilleux is a dessert that is sure to delight. Certainly, here are some additional tips and tricks for making merveilleux. Use a piping bag with a large tip. A piping bag with a large tip will make it easier to pipe the meringue onto the baking sheet in small circles or shapes. This will also give the merveilleux a more uniform shape and size. Uniform shape and size. Don't overmix the meringue. Overmixing the meringue can cause it to deflate and lose its volume. Stop beating the egg whites as soon as stiff peaks form, and be gentle when folding in the sugar, vine, and cornstarch. And cornstarch. Chill the bowl and whisk. Before making the whipped cream filling, chill the bowl and whisk in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help the cream whip faster and to a higher volume. Be patient when whipping the cream. Whipping the cream too much can cause it to turn into butter. Be patient when whipping the cream, and stop as soon as stiff peaks form. Use a pastry brush to coat the merveilleux with chocolate shavings. A pastry brush is a great tool to use when coating the merveilleux with chocolate shavings. Simply dip the brush into the shavings and gently press them into the whipped cream. Gently press them into the whipped cream. Merveilleux is a delicious and impressive dessert that is sure to be a hit with your friends and family. With a little patience and attention to detail, you can create merveilleux that are light, fluffy, and filled with flavor. Whether you stick to the classic recipe or experiment with new flavors and coatings, merveilleux is a dessert that is sure to delight. And filled with flavor. Whether you stick to the classic recipe or experiment with new flavors and coatings, merveilleux is a dessert that is sure to delight. Certainly, here are some additional tips and variations for making merveilleux.